Excuse me, do you know where lot 299 is?
Welcome to Stanley Martin Gateway West in Hyattsville, Maryland. Today, I will be meeting my clients and taking you along on a special walkthrough behind the scenes of a construction site so that you can really see what it looks like when you have a new home under construction. This is an exciting moment for my clients as they see their new home framed and taking shape for the very first time. As you look around, you'll be able to see a teamwork and coordination it takes to build a community like this. From construction crews, machinery, and materials, they all come together to turn an empty lot into a home where memories will soon be made. Each home at this construction site is built with care and precision, combining modern design and quality craftsmanship. For my clients, this is more than just a house. It's the start of a new chapter, and it's always a privilege to help guide them through the process. Seeing your home at this stage, with the framing completed, is a key milestone. It's here that my clients can start to visualize their future, from the layout of the rooms to how they'll make the space their own. Moments like these are why having a realtor on your side is so important. If you're thinking about buying new construction, it's essential to talk to a realtor first. While the builder has their own sales team, their job is to represent the seller, not you. As your realtor, my role is to make sure you're fully informed, protected, and represented throughout the entire process, from start to finish. At Stanley Martin Gateway West, you'll find more than just homes. You'll find thoughtfully designed communities. From the infrastructure to the architectural details, every aspect is crafted to create a place that feels like home. Thank you for joining me on this walkthrough of a construction site. And if you think you're considering buying a new home, let's talk about how I can help you make your journey smooth and successful, because you don't know what you don't know, and representation is important. You are spending a lot of money to buy a property that you plan to hold on for many years to come. Remember, the builder's team represents them, but you deserve representation too. Reach out to me today and let's start your path to finding the perfect home. To stay updated on this development and others, don't forget to subscribe and follow. I'm Tracy Williams Barnett, and I'll see you in the next video.